Hello viewers, welcome to VrushuRaj classes YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you answer for an important question asked in science paper of class 10. The question is quite simple but important. And the question is, what is the difference between baking soda and washing soda? Difference between questions are quite common in SSLC board paper. So whenever the question is write a difference between, always write the answer making two columns. Means whichever two things are asked to mention the difference, always you have to make two columns for two options. So here we are going to make two columns. One is for baking soda and one is for washing soda. Okay, what is its difference? The first point what we have to mention here is the scientific name. The scientific name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate, while the scientific name of washing soda is sodium carbonate. Immediately below that, you have to write its chemical formula. The chemical formula for baking soda is NaHCO3, while the chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3. So you have to mention the chemical formula. Okay. Now here, baking soda as well as washing soda, both are basic in nature. But baking soda is weak base, means it is mild base, while washing soda is strong base. We are going to study about the strong and weak bases in our upcoming videos. Okay. Then the next point what we have to mention here is its use. The name itself suggests baking soda is used for baking purpose, while washing soda is used for washing purpose. Especially in laundries, washing soda is used. If you want to mention one more use, baking soda is commonly used as an antacid or in making the antacid products, while washing soda is used in removing the hardness of the water. You can write one more point here that baking soda we cannot use to remove the hardness of the water. While washing soda, yes, we can use to remove the hardness of the water, because washing soda helps to remove the calcium and magnesium ions which are responsible to make the water hard. So if you mention these points in your answer for this question, that is difference between baking soda and washing soda, I assure you full marks for this question. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to share this link with your friends. And to get the updates of such useful, interesting videos, subscribe our channel, that is VrushuRaj Classes. So my dear students, thank you so much for watching this video.